There's a purple toilet in our barn. How and when and who did that get here? Wait, that made no sense. What? Hello guys, it is Matthew. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today, it isn't a vlog. It isn't a vlog. Today, we are going to be making stuff explode or throwing stuff in slow motion. Very interesting. So, I know we're going to be smashing a water bottle and stuff. I need to find the baseball bat. So, let's get started. Okay, I have to use this because I could not find a normal bat. I don't know where it went. But first thing we're going to be doing is a normal water bottle. Slow motion. Here we go. Don't know how this is going to work. Here we go. Don't know how this is going to work. Let's just go. Oh! I hope that was in frame. By the way, guys, merch link in bio. This is not for sale, the hoodie I'm wearing, but there is stuff. Merch link in bio. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work. Willow is watching us currently. Point to Willow. She's currently watching. Willow, get ready. I don't know if this is gonna work. If it doesn't, I'm gonna just throw it up in the air, but here we go. Oh, that worked horribly! No! Okay.
Saying that it feels right.